Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that will help window cleaning companies take their business to the next level. We'll discuss how SEO services can boost business outreach and increase online visibility. So, whether you're a small window cleaning business or a well-established company, this video is for you. Let's dive in. 1. Understanding the power of SEO. Before we delve into the specifics, let's discuss why SEO is crucial for window cleaning companies. In today's digital age, potential customers are increasingly turning to search engines like Google to find local services. By leveraging SEO techniques, you can improve your website's ranking on search engine result pages, increasing visibility and more potential customers discovering your business. 2. Keyword research. The first step in optimizing your website for search engines is conducting thorough keyword research. Keywords are the words or phrases that potential customers use when searching for window cleaning services online. By identifying relevant keywords, you can strategically incorporate them into your website's content and metadata. 3. On-page optimization. Once you have your target keywords, it's time to optimize your website's on-page elements. This includes optimizing page titles, meta descriptions, headers, and content to align with your chosen keywords. By doing so, search engines can better understand the relevance of your website to user search queries, resulting in higher rankings. 4. Local SEO. Window cleaning is a location-based service, which makes local SEO especially important. Local SEO helps you target customers in your area and increase your chances of appearing in local search results. One effective way to boost your local SEO is by creating and optimizing your Google My Business profile. 5. Building backlinks. Building high-quality backlinks from reputable websites is an essential aspect of off-page SEO. Backlinks act as endorsements for your website, signaling to search engines that your content is valuable and trustworthy. Engage in outreach campaigns, collaborate with local businesses, and share your expertise to earn valuable backlinks. 6. Monitoring and analytics. Once you've implemented SEO techniques, monitoring your website's performance and analyzing the results is crucial. Tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console provide valuable insights into your website's traffic, keyword rankings, and user behavior. This data helps you identify areas for improvement and optimize your SEO strategy further. And that's a wrap. By implementing SEO services effectively, window cleaning companies can significantly boost their business outreach and attract more customers. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process, and staying updated with the latest trends and algorithms is essential. We hope this video has provided valuable insights and practical tips to help your window cleaning business thrive in the digital landscape. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.